This is Wes, aka the Grillin Villin with Somerset Grills, and it is Food Friday. It's Friday, it's gonna be a beautiful weekend, it's gonna be warm, we're gonna have friends and family around. So when you're cooking something, no matter what it is, why don't you take a picture of it, post it on Instagram, and tag us at Somerset Grills, and you'll get a free t-shirt. Today, we are gonna prepare bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers with cream cheese. And as usual, our preferred grilling device here on Food Fridays is the American Muscle Grill 36-inch dual fuel. Today we're cooking on solid fuels. We're going to be working on natural maple hardwood briquettes, and we've got some apple chunks in there. So I'm going to fire that up for our jalapeno peppers. In preparation for our jalapeno poppers, I'm going to go ahead and prepare these jalapenos. We're going to cut off the stem. We're going to cut them down the middle just a little bit, not all the way through. And then we're going to pull out the seeds and the guts. Get this kind of cleaned up out here. There we go. Get your finger down in there. Set them over here. Do another one. There we go. That's a nice fat one. That's a good one. Okay, we're going to turn off the gas. We use the gas for about 3 minutes to ignite our solid fuels, and now we have our apple wood and our lump charcoal on its own. We're going to let that die down a little bit. We'll have some nice white ash there to cook our jalapeno poppers on. Okay, at this point I'm going to go ahead and put my cream cheese inside my jalapenos, thus making them poppers. So we'll go ahead and get some nice cream cheese right in the middle there. Oh yeah. And then we're going to wrap that in a nice piece of bacon, just like this. Very nice. And then I'm going to grab a wooden toothpick, which I have soaked for about 20 minutes in water so they won't catch on fire. I'm going to stick that through there. And we have our first jalapeno popper ready to go on the grill. There is one distinction on why these are jalapeno poppers. When you actually deep fry these as opposed to grill them, a lot of folks will call these armadillo eggs. So they come in different kind of phrases around different parts of the country. Commonly known as jalapeno poppers out here in California, known as armadillo legs in the South and Texas. Interesting, huh? Okay, we're going to go ahead and throw these poppers on our grates now. I'm going to go ahead and choose my tong. That's good. I like the balance on this one a little better today. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on. Listen to that sizzle. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Bacon, the love meat, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to leave these on. We're just going to play it by ear. There's no set time. They're going to get blackened. They're going to have nice grate marks on it. Because we're using our conical shaped grill grates, we're going to go ahead and we're going to have a nice burn mark through here. And the heat's going to concentrate, and those are just going to be beautiful. Bacon gives you that smoke, the smell, plus you get the sizzle. Okay, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and pull these jalapeno poppers off the grill right now. Had them up here on our warming tray, wrapped in bacon. Oh, gorgeous. They're beautiful. Smell the bacon. Oh, look at that. Today we're pairing our bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers with the Alpine Beer Company out of San Diego. they have a pale ale called the Hoppy Birthday. And we feel this pairing, the hoppiness of the Hoppy Birthday Pale Ale, cut right through the heat of our poppers and make for a wonderful, delightful pairing for you. Mmm. My, that's good. Okay, folks, that's Food Friday. This weekend, get out there and grill. Take a picture of it, post it on Instagram, and tag Somerset Grills, and we'll send you a free t-shirt. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. We'll see you next week on Food Friday.